We're here with Lou, and Lou had the Pinhole Gum Rejuvenation Procedure last week. How do you feel, Lou?
I feel terrific. It was painless and no discomfort, very little discomfort compared to the other procedure, the older procedure that I had. This was a piece of cake.
And when I showed it to you today in the mirror, how did the area look?
It looked, the roots were covered. It looked like my gums were restored. It was an amazing thing seeing it after, comparing it to what it was initially when I first came in and saw all my yellow root exposed. Now everything was covered, and it was just a very, very pleasant experience.
Well, thanks so much. I really appreciate it.